Hello everybody, I hope everyone is well today. Today we're making a ponche krakra. We're making goat soup. So we have our goat here, our goat meat here. We have diced a bit of onion, one onion, a bit of salt on it, yes. And here we have our homemade tomatoes and homemade tomato paste and homemade onion, garlic, ginger, and we have our homemade scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, and onion here. And we have also for our seasoning, we have black pepper, we have rosemary, and we have aniseed. We have a bit of salt here. We have prawn powder and dry fish powder, and we have a bit of fish baked mackerel here, and also we have precassé, and then we have okra. And in here we have garden eggs and carrot that's cooking here for our soup. So let's get seasoning on the meat. Yeah. Then I'm going to add my ginger, onion, and garlic also into it. So I'm adding a bit of water into it, about half a cup of water. That's it. And I'm going to stir. Make sure that the seasoning goes everywhere. Well, all right. So I'm going to leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Yeah. All right. So now I'm adding my tomato paste, my homemade tomato paste, and normal tomatoes as well. Okay, homemade as well. And then the pepper, the scotch bonnet, onion, garlic, and ginger here also. Okay. These tomato paste and homemade tomatoes makes my life so easier. When I'm making soup, it's so easy and simple and quick. I have added my prawn powder and the fish powder as well. I'm stirring. I'm gonna cover this again and leave it to cook. So now I'm going to blend the garden eggs and the carrots together. Yeah, I have cooked it for 10 minutes. So look how nice the meat look. Look at this. Look at that. Oh wow. And it smells so good. So I'm gonna add this into it. And rinse it as well with water. So now I'm adding this water as well. Warm water. 3 cups here of water into the soup. Yes, it smells so beautiful. Then I'm going to add a bit of mushroom into it, and that was optional. I like mushrooms. And also the fish. Alright, push them back inside properly. Okay. Now also the precassé into it, so find a nice place to put it. Oh, this soup is going to be nice in this good beautiful afternoon. All right then, I'll cover slightly and leave it. So voila, that's our ponche krakra, our goat leg soup is done. So I'm going to serve this with my plantain fufu that I make earlier. This is it. Yes. Okay. This is it. My fufu is ready. My goat's light soup, aponche krakra, is done this afternoon. So I'm going to enjoy this, and then I'll see you soon. Please do like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. And we hope to see you again. Bye.